After a weeks long wash and go, it's time to get rid of this hot mess. So, after rinsing my hair, I'm taking Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean shampoo and massaging that all over my head for a deep clean. It's enriched with coconut oil and shea butter, leaving your hair super clean and hydrated. After rinsing that out, I'm using Aunt Jackie's In Control conditioner to detangle, and this product nourishes and deep conditions dry, frizzy hair, leaving it super shiny and smooth. After I'm done detangling, I rinsed it out and I applied Aunt Jackie's Curlala Defining Custard to style. I'm dividing my hair into sections and raking the product evenly all over my head, and I'll also be finger coiling the top for a more defined curl. Once my hair is dry, I divided my hair into 2 sections and created 2 space buns. This is a really cute and easy hairstyle for those super hot summer days when you don't want to wear your hair down. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Bye!